I'm Cory, the Levy to Life coach. So my business partner already uses Descript and was talking about us using it, but I haven't used it. So it was good to know more about what it does. And then ChatGPT, I'm in the midst of taking a course and turning it into a book, and just found out that it's going to be way easier now. So I'm really happy about that. And then also CapCut. I'll check that out for Instagram and stuff. So pretty much everything. Yeah, pretty much everything. I'm gonna go check it out, so thank you. Oh yeah, I've been to several and I've always learned something, and sometimes you'll see me on my phone because I'm taking notes, but sometimes you'll see me on my phone because I'm implementing what I'm learning. So I'll jump on Instagram before it, while it's fresh, and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna use that right now. So it's been helpful. Yeah, all of them.